Hi friends, today we will discuss why water is primary requisite for good health. This topic is very close to my heart and I love discussing about this one. Water is really a great need for our survival. Water, air, sunlight and food are essential ingredients of life. Necessity of hydration and rehydration is always felt by everyone. Similarly, dehydration also reminds us the importance of taking water. Improve your reading, improve your knowledge by reading good books like these 13 Steps to Bloody Good Health by Ashwin Sangvi and Dr. Mukesh Batra. My book, Eat Well, 9 Simple Steps for Healthy Eating, like that, many books are there. I'll place a list of books to be read in the description. Benefits, what are the benefits of water intake? Benefits of water intake are enormous. Few are discussed here. It helps in blood circulation throughout the body, keeps brain more active, improves mental performance, increases memory power, boosts good mood, control headache and migraines, slows down aging process, prevent dehydration and consequential effects, helps in body detox, helps proper kidney function, decreases risks of kidney stone formation, helps to create saliva which helps in digestion, helps to regulate body temperature, keeps heartbeat normal, excretes waste through urination, defecation and perspiration, helps in digestion, improves physical performance, controls blood pressure and cholesterol. There are many benefits of water intake. It helps in weight management, prevents diseases, boosts energy, protects from allergies and asthma, lubricates joints, takes care of skin health, helps in cognitive function. You may read more details in healthline.com. Helps in controlling weight, protects spinal cord, carries oxygen to cells, moistens tissues in eye, nose and other sensitive organs, help dissolving vitamins and minerals, keeps health of hair well maintained. Hair is well maintained by water, helps to improve immunity power. So these are simple 30 number benefits. There are many more. So take water occasionally and keep your body properly hydrated. You lose water through perspiration, breath, urine, bowel movements. Try to fill up the gap. Mayo Clinic recommends daily 11.5 cups per woman and 15.5 cups per man, which may vary based on physical activity. Do not delay your care. Suggestion is, carry a water bottle wherever you go. Keep track of your water intake. Do not wait to be thirsty to take water. By midday, take more than half of your daily total requirement based on your body weight. Water is taken commonly through food, beverages and drinking water. You normally take 90 to 99% water while drinking fat-free milk, watermelon, strawberries, 80 to 89% from fruit juices, yogurt, grapes, oranges, pineapples. You also take a lot of water through banana, potato, ice cream, like that foods. So know the factors. What increases water requirements like thermal condition, physiological stress, all this necessitate taking more water. Know well how dehydration can badly affect your brain function, which can impact mood swings and other unusual conditions. So drink water, take water often, take food which contains water, and remain properly hydrated. Thank you. Wish you good life.